Friends, welcome back to another video. Once again, I'm present with the latest update of the Avalanche. What's the current price of the Avalanche? What's the prices occur in the Avalanche? In this video, I will show you, friends. But before starting this interesting video, I request all of you that please click the subscribe button and like this video for more this kind of news and updates videos, friends. Now the current price of the Avalanche is going again. You're wrong, but that's not mean that you decide to sell. It's time to hold, friends. Now currently the latest price of the Avalanche in the market is 25.64 USD dollar, friends. That is the latest price of the Avalanche. And on the other side, if you look the price changes occur in the Avalanche, so the last 1 hour price change is good negative, and last 1 week price change is negative only, and only the last 1 day price change is going positive. I hope that this positive change will continue for a long time. Let me show you, friends, the price chart for more details. Absolutely, from yesterday the pricing is very good. For as you can see here, from the yesterday they take a jump, but unfortunately now at this time they are again fast down, friends. You can see here, so I hope that they will continue this dump for a short time. Let me show, if you do a technical analysis, so I think that is a support line and that is a resistance line. So now they are fast down for a few hours. After bouncing with the support line, there is again chances to they take a jump in the future, friends. Now in a few 30 minutes there is fast open the Avalanche. After 30 minutes there is again chances to they again take a jump, friends. Anyways, I'm positive about Avalanche. Avalanche is going positive, and I believe that the Avalanche will going to hit a 30 USD dollar in the last of this month. What do you think? They also hit 28.02 USD dollar in the last 1 month, so 30 is not a big target. Tomorrow they can easily hit a 30 USD dollar, friends. What do you think? 29.7% positive changes occur in the last 1 day in the 24 hours. That is the pricing is occurring in the Avalanche. And now at this time the pricing is going positive, and from the previous last 12 hours the price is going negative. But I hope that after a few hours, after 30-minute fast they will again take a difference. That is my prediction for Avalanche. And remember, my friends, if they break the support line in fast down, so just understand that the big fast something huge occurs at this time in Avalanche if they break the support line, friends. Anyways, we have to always think positive, and my suggestion, my recommendation for all Avalanche holders, that it's time to hold, not to sell, friends. I recommend for all of you. And don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more news and updates videos. Thank you so much for watching this video.